5月1号，国际劳工节，我们一群马友约了从田纳西开车到肯塔基的国家公园去4天露营，还有骑马。绝大部分的马友，他们都使用前面住人，后面住马，这种叫做 living quarter 的马车。我自己的马车只住马不住人，我在车里有一张床，所以我晚上可以很舒服地睡在自己的车里，而且我把车子停在了最靠近洗澡的地方。马圈就在我们身旁。马匹是一种群居的动物，只要他们知道前后左右都是他们的同伴，就算相互不认识，他们也会乖乖的。才刚把马车停好，朋友就来约了，说先进山骑上一圈，探探路。Where did you find him? Like Facebook?
Yeah, Facebook. He looks nice.
So Donna, you got the horse before you arrive or after you arrive?
After I arrived. The guy brought him over at 2. He was like right after I got about 2.
Oh, is he living close by?
Yeah, he was about 40 minutes from here.
Oh.
And and apparently this horse has been all through the Daniel Boone and all these trails before.
Donna 的这匹10岁马状况非常的好，他回家以后给他起了一个新的名字，叫 Max。他说他的老爸还有他的老公都很喜欢那个 Gladiator 那个电影，还有电影里面的男主角，所以他们给这匹马起的新名字就是 Max。
A curtain separating all the toilets.
Yeah.
Oh, you're videoing.
My husband and I've only spent like maybe like $30. My husband's like,
Get around the tree and down. Stop seeing everybody else when you ride up
Are we all ready? Are we ready? Yeah, I saw you.
Trying to get the side to go up. You got to kind of try a little catch up, but I'm glad he's going.
跟在我身后的这位哥们儿是69岁的 Danny。他有一个5英亩的农场，里面养了3匹马。他说他要骑马骑到90岁。他的这匹1/4马也叫 Shiloh， 是我的好哥们 Pete 送给他的。Rhododendron? Doesn't look like it.
Yeah, we got a gate in it. Well, that's pretty neat.
Yeah, it's a mine. Snake?
Like a moccasin, yeah, went right between the legs.
Like what kind of snake?
You look like a moccasin.
Hold on, I want to go look up here.
Oh, you want to take a picture here?
Sure.
走到这个水坑这里 ，Samantha 的马对这个石洞有一种恐惧感。Amy 先进去给他做个示范，但是偏偏 Mammy 骑的那头骡子又不配合，死活不愿意下那个水坑。Cash, can you read? Come on, Cash. Tell me which way we're going.
Doing the reverse again.
Reversing into a better attitude.
Let's see how Sandy does. It looks good.
Okay, good boy. Back up. Good boy.
Good boy.
Yes, I did talk to my puppies.
Good.
Well done.
It's up that way and then we turn.
Right.
Yeah, it's up that way and then right.
Yeah. And then left.
23 minutes of a walk.
Try to break that.
Did you ever have any banana trees?
Yeah, it used to be in our old home in China.
We always had them in Florida.
Oh yeah, Florida is a good climate for banana tree.
Yeah.
What is it?
There. It's right there.
Well, Pete, you have another apple.
That was Mamie's apple. I was trying to save it. Hey!
Exactly. Hey!
Well, you brush his teeth for him.
Noble's about to die.
Take it easy, Cash.
Not a very deep pond.
Oh no! Oh no!
Things are about to go. What an asshole! You can see what you're up to.
Yeah. Oh!
Look at it, it's haunted. That was freaking out. Like, I scared the shit right out of it. Poor guy.
You can see cold down there in the creek. See all
Annoying flowers around here. I'd like to sit right in there.
That's a good way to cool off.
Even though they're Don't you dare put this in your video. What happened to you?
Can't believe Cash still have energy to run up the hill. Yeah. Oh no. Not again. Okay, drink some water, Cash. Oh.
I mean, even Huck is slurping.
今天跑了30多公里的山路，创纪录的，2个膝盖已经直不起来了。
千辛万苦的搬到田纳西，最大的收获就是认识了这许多的爱马、热心公益的好朋友。好，今天就跟朋友们分享到这里，我们下一期再见 ，Goodbye。